All right, so just to refresh, our vocabulary is ratio, an ordered pair of numbers that represents a relationship between two quantities that are both not zero. So apples to oranges, how many A's to E's we got in class. It can be written in three ways. 5:12, so 5, whatever it is, to 12, 5 apples to oranges, 5 to 12, or 5, our little fraction bar, to 12. Some of our sentence frames we could use: for every blank, there is a blank. For every boy, there is a girl. Or the ratio of boys to girls is, let's say, 10 to 2. For example, a barista said, for every 5 coffee mugs, there are 12 coffee cups. So that means the ratio of mugs to cups is, if we're looking at this, let me change my pen. For every 5 coffee mugs, there are 5 to 12. Now remember, I said we could write that three ways: 5 to 12, 5 to 12, or 5 over 12. Order matters. If you change the order, you change the meaning of the ratio. So if you change it to 12 over 5, it no longer means the same thing. In other words, the ratio of A to B is not the same as the ratio of B to A unless A is equal to B. All right, so in a king-size bag of candy, the ratio of red candies, and we're going to mark that with an R, red candies to yellow candies, there's our little colon, to yellow candies is 15 to 10. We read this as 15 to 10. This means that there are 15 red candies for every 10 yellow candies. So let's apply our ratios in our own class. Well, when we look around, we see how many number of students are teachers. What is the ratio of teachers to the number of students? And so on. So you would count, there are approximately 15 students to 2 teachers. And then we're going to switch it around. There are a ratio of 2 teachers to 15 students. So what is the ratio? What is the difference between the ratio you just created? Well, if we look at this, and I'm just going to give examples. So the number of teachers would be 2 to 15. The number of students would be 15 to 2. Now, if I switch those around, they no longer mean the same thing. Now I'm saying I have 2 teachers or 2 students to 15 teachers or 15 students. Those don't mean the same thing. So now the table on the right shows there are each song in a genre. So the ratio of country music songs to rap songs is, well, I have 6 country songs. So I'm going to write 6 country songs. And then rap songs, I have 12. The ratio of total songs in the playlist to hip hop songs, so I need to add everything up. I have 15 plus 12 plus 6, and that gives me 33 total songs to 15 hip hop songs. And it says you look through your favorite playlist and realize there are blank rap songs for every blank hip hop songs. Well, if I look over here, I have 12 rap songs for every 15 hip hop songs. Number 4 says, during science camp, the Snack Shack sells 2 kinds of snacks. They sell chips and ice cream bars. The ratio of total snack options to chip options is 12 to 7. Select 3 statements that are true about the ratio of snacks options at the Snack Shack. So if I look, I have chips, I have ice cream bars, and I have, what's the other one? Ice cream bars in total. So if I look here, it says the right ratio of ice cream bars to chips is 5 to 7. So I have 5 ice cream bars. And this is terrible. 5 ice cream bars. I have 7 chip bars for a total of 12. So that's how my table would look. So the ratio of ice cream bars to chips is 5 to 7. Is that true? Yes, I have 5 ice cream, 7 chips. The ratio of total snack options to ice cream bars is 12 to 5. Here's my total. Here's my ice cream. That is true. And letter C, there are twice as many chips as there are ice cream bars. I have 5 ice cream bars and 7 chips. Neither way I look at that, that will be twice. So that's a no-go.